Today I'm going to show you guys how to make easy to peel hard-boiled eggs. Get your water boiling, nice rolling boil, enough to cover the top of your eggs. Gently place them in. You don't want them to crack at this point. You can do 1, 2, 6, a dozen. Just adjust the size of the pot and the amount of water as necessary. Once you have all your eggs in, lower the water just a little bit so it doesn't boil out. Cover and set a timer for 12 minutes. If you want soft boiled eggs, set a timer for 10 minutes. 12 minutes would be nice hard boiled eggs. While the water is boiling and cooking your eggs, make a nice bucket of ice cold water. Same thing applies. Enough water to cover the egg. Once the timer rings, come back and very gently place your perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs into the freezing cold water. Nice and gentle, one at a time. The freezing cold water is going to shock the egg and get it to release from the shell. Once you have all your eggs in the ice cold water, go ahead and set a timer again for 12 minutes. While the eggs are resting in the ice cold water, clean your kitchen. Alright, 12 minutes is up. Eggs are ready to be peeled. Move over to your sink or whatever you prefer. Drain the ice cold water out and commence peeling. I just start peeling away at the pieces little by little until big chunks come off. The white doesn't stick to the shell. You get a nice easy peel and it's ready. But what does the yolk look like? It's perfect. Look at that. And you can continue the same step over and over again until you have all your perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs easily peeled away from those annoying shells. Too easy, right guys? No need for anything fancy in the microwave. Don't need to be putting crazy chemicals like lemon juice or anything like that into your water. Just follow my easy steps and you can make perfect hard-boiled eggs. You can be prepared to make perfect deviled eggs, egg salad, or whatever you prefer. Ta-da!